With my model Ollie, I prepped the hair using Dense Up shampoo. I then applied pure texture paste as a cutting lotion. To begin the cut, I placed a delta section from recession to below the crown. Working with diagonal backs, remove weight cutting square to the head shape using the razor. Note the change of hand position and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Moving on to the top, a profile part and radial are placed to split the head front and back. Behind the radial, I reshaped the layers square to the head shape using point cutting. To complete the layering at the back, over-direct all sections to the center. Note change of hand position and repeat technique on the other side. In front of the ear, I took a central vertical section. Using the guide from the back, I used point cutting from short to long to maintain length in the front. To complete layering, use vertical sections and over-direct everything to the stationary guide in the middle. Note change of hand position and repeat technique on the other side. Internally, I combed everything at natural fall and reshaped the perimeter using irregular point cuts. Utilize point cutting through the comb to further detail the underneath area. Apply press-up foam to achieve volume. Rough dry the hair, then using the small paddle brush to smooth the cuticle and add height to the root. Finally, apply matte separation for hold and texture.